guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your remote start in the 2022 Kia Sorento. I have in front of me here an X-Line 2.5 turbo all-wheel drive in glacial white pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the remote start button is located on the side of your key fob here. So what we're going to do is go ahead and lock the vehicle, and then I'm going to press and hold that remote start button for a second. And then you'll see the lights have flashed to let you know it's communicating with the car, and then it flashes a few times afterwards to let you know that the vehicle is now running. So when we go get into the vehicle, you can either hit the unlock button on the key fob, or we can press the button on the outside of the door. And then when we get in, all you have to do is make sure you have the key fob on you, and you put your foot on the brake, and the rest of the car will turn on. It will also set your climate control to a default 22 degrees Celsius. And that's how you do it. As always, thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button if you're enjoying this video. And please make sure that you subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. And please go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.